Good evening! Welcome to my tutorial of fixing my phone. I watched a YouTube video, a second video, and it tells me that I have to unscrew this. So I'm using a blue screw that was given to me on this kit, and I'm putting this under this side of the phone where you put the holes are, and I'm unscrewing it right now. Lefty loosey. And I would like to show it on the camera, but it's kind of, I don't want to lose the screws. I'm going to put in a white piece of paper so I won't lose them. And I'm pulling it right now. There we go. See, very small. Voila. And here is my result. 2 little screws. Using a blue one. I randomly picked it too. And I took it off from here. Oh wait, no, I took it from this side. You can see my phone is still funky. Funky Comadina. Alright, I did this last week, but I've been using this triangle thingy. And I've been going along the plastic, or trying to take out the plastic. Break the plastic out. After taking the screws off, hopefully this will take out easier. I'm going to use a suction cup, as was shown on a YouTube video. YouTube videos, they always make it so simple. I guess because they edit it. I don't know why it keeps zooming in. The glass is already broken, so it's kind of hard to keep straight. Alright, I'm going a full round the screen. Just to let you know, I was trying to kill the battery. Battery's it's about almost dead, but I didn't want to wait till the battery dies because it's taking too long. I just want to get this done. And I've been putting this by my space heater. Hopefully, according to the video, I'll use a hairdryer to warm it up too. That's another way. Man, why does that keep zooming in? What's up with that? Oh, I'm sorry. My phone is acting up. I accidentally pressed that button. Sorry about that.
Okay, so it's an accident?
Yeah,
Okay,
my
so we get a little bit of information. I have to have a name since you called 911. What's your name, sir?
Sal.
You did that pretty good. So what happened to dial 911 so I can let my deputy know?
Oh, I'm trying to, my phone, I accidentally ran over my phone and I'm trying to fix it. The glass is broken.
Over with the car?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'll let him know, but where are you at?
Oh, I'm just at my house trying to fix my phone right now.
Okay, and what's that address?
109 East 3rd Street, Morris, Minnesota.
East 3rd Street? Okay, I'll let the deputy know.
Sorry about that.
You take care, no problem.
Okay.
Thanks for staying on the line with me.
Okay, thanks. Bye-bye. Oh my gosh, it dialed. I accidentally called 911. Alright, I got the suction cup in because I put it under the heat. And as you can see, I can't pull it, so I need to do more work on it. Hallelujah! I finally was able to pull it, or at least get something underneath. I used this suction cup, put it by the warmer, and I finally pull it out. Oh, really? Battery's dying. Wait, battery's still going. So I used this picker, not nail picker. Thanks for pulling hair clip, and I pulled it and I put it on that little corner. My thing broke, the one they gave me, as I was trying to dig underneath. Alright, do an update later. Alright, I'm slowly taking it off. Battery's still on. I was trying to kill the battery, but I'm this far. Wow, look at the inside. Looks like I should take this side off first.
We've heard a lot of singers over the years, but wow, there are those moments where I remember when I came to America for the first time, and that was 20 odd years ago, and that was a moment I'll never forget. And I want to make this a moment that you remember forever.
Alright, it's around 151. It's around 151, and I finally am able to take this off. I took the sides. I don't know if you can see this, but batteries are still on. I wasn't able to get the outside part. Now I got it. Wow. Wow. I'm gonna take a better picture now. This is what it looks like underneath. It wasn't the prettiest way to take it out, but I managed to get it. I'm gonna use alcohol wipes to clear this. Alright, according to YouTube, I gotta take this thingy out to this, or to, what do you call it? Take the battery out. So I have to do that first. And according to this diagram, it's the yellow one. Alright, I can't do it with my one hand, but I'll try. This is my left hand, guys. Takes a lot of discipline. Not discipline, but man, I'm gonna do it with my right hand. Upsy Lucy. Okay, I'm pressing hard because it was not going to take it off. Alright, I'm going to put this screw right over there. Make sure you have a nice format. Alright, I'm going to use it. I got to turn it off because this is hard. Alright, that's the reason why I had trouble. I couldn't unscrew the rest of these screws. Because even though the diagram said use the yellow one, the red one works better. So I recommend using the other color coded screws. Alright, I'll see if I'm able to do the others. This is a little bent, or this is bent because I was trying to use a tweezer, trying to pull it, because I couldn't unscrew it with this yellow one. Alright, just want to note that I'm wearing glasses because it's really small to use. I'm gonna try to bend this back barehanded. So it's like this is what it looks like. Cool, isn't it? Hey, why is it zooming out? Alright, the next step, according to YouTube, I'm supposed to pick this part out, flip it. The tool they use is a little different, so I'm going to try using that. I just want to show you a comparison of what this new one will be and the old one. As you can see, the new one has that flap, and I'll be taking that off, but it doesn't come with this flap, so I might have to attach that one to that, but we'll see what happens. Alright, I'm going to first try to take this out. Alright, I use a paper clip for that side, but I use my fingernails with that side. So if you have long nails, I guess you could do it with your hands. I'm going to do the same with that one. Maybe I can get a video of this. Hold on.